Class and happy Wednesday. Hopefully you guys are happy. Hopefully you're not still upset at me. But like I said, you are going to watch the video today of the vice presidential debate. So I hope that you guys do enjoy it. I hope it is a good educational time for you as well. So let's go ahead and start by preparing for that video. All you need on your desk is a piece of paper to take notes on and something to write with. You could use pencil, pen, whichever one you want. You do want to take very good notes though, because tomorrow I will give a bonus quiz over the video. So you need to make sure that you take good notes. The video is not going to last the entire class. It's going to be a couple minutes long. So after that, I'd like you to do some exercises at the end of chapter 3, like we've done before. So again, you'll find the chapter checkup review. Please do exercise C, D, and E. So the substitute will tell you those again. But with these, you do not have to do them in complete sentences. Okay? You can just write down the answer. So after the video, go ahead and work those questions on a piece of paper because those will be collected at the end of class. It is not homework. So don't stress out about it. It is Wednesday. I don't want to give you homework, but I do expect you to do this work that I'm telling you to do. So I will have the sub collect it at the end of class, and I will be checking it to make sure that you guys did the work. So C, D, and E will be after the video, but I hope that you guys do enjoy the debate. Have a great day, guys.